It's time for another episode of Tips and Tricks with Air Experts. Fixing a leaky faucet can require different steps based on the type of faucet and where the leak is coming from. Here are some basic steps you can try to help fix most leaky faucets. Turn off the water supply valve under the sink and turn on the faucet to let the remaining water drain out. Remove the handle. If there's a cover on your faucet, just slip a screwdriver in and pop it off. Loosen the screw underneath and pull off the handle. Be careful to not lose any parts. If the leak has been ongoing for a while, there may be corrosion that could make this step difficult. Once the handle is removed, pull out the cartridge. You'll have to go to a hardware store to purchase new parts, and it makes sense to bring the damaged ones along with you to ensure you're purchasing the same parts. Insert the new cartridge and reassemble the faucet. Remember to turn the water valve back on and let the sink run for a few minutes to flush out any debris. Congratulations! You just fixed a leaky faucet. If you find the problem is more difficult than described in this video, or you feel in over your head, don't hesitate to call the professionals. We thought you'd like to know.